So this is question 4 from 6.8. It says, a kite flying in the air has a 12-foot line attached to it. Its line is pulled taut and casts an 8-foot shadow. Find the height of the kite. If necessary, round your answer to the nearest tenth. Okay, so this is kind of a similar problem because it's, again, a right triangle. So the hypotenuse is 12, and the legs are 8 and some unknown number. Let's call it x, which is really the height of the triangle. So we could call it h if we wanted to. And so let's use the Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. So we have 12 squared there is equal to 8 squared, one of the legs, plus the other leg, x squared. Okay, so now we can solve this. So 8 squared is 64, 12 squared is 144, and then we have that plus x squared there. So to solve for x squared, we subtract 64 on both sides, and we get x squared is equal to 80. And then we take the square root of both sides, which is also raising it to the 1/2 power, and we get x equals the square root of 80, which is equal to 80 to the 1/2 power. And then it says to round it to the nearest tenth, which means we're going to approximate it. So x is approximately 8.94, and then to round that to the nearest tenth, that's just this place, and since this 4 is not 5 or above, so we don't round up, we round down, so x is approximately 8.9. There we go.